Hey everybody, it's Brian with Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are at the Tampa RV Super Show, and we are looking at the Coachmen Apex 265 RBSS. We're gonna start out here on the front of the rig. Of course, we've got the spare tire up here, and we've got two 20-pound propane tanks. All right, and this pass-through space I really love. A lot of these Coachmen Apexes have really good pass-through space. Look how big this area is. Really huge storage space, and here is where my 30 amp charge controller is. All of these rigs now are coming standard with 200 watts of solar on the roof, and it can be expanded if you wanted to add more solar on your own later. Batteries, usually most of the dealers are offering AGM batteries, but you could maybe work out an upgrade to a lithium battery in your deal when you're buying. So try to negotiate that. It's got a great outdoor kitchen on this rig, room for your drink fridge out here, which is kind of nice. All of these rigs are coming standard now. All Coachmen Apex models come with a cast iron griddle instead of a grill. They're making these by Lodge. So this is a Lodge cast iron skillet on your griddle. You just flip this over to slide it in. Lots of storage up here for some of your outdoor stuff, your cooking supplies. And on the back of the rig, we've got a couple of other nice features. Of course, the bumper, which will hold, you know, your poop tube. All the rigs are also coming standard, ready to go with a backup camera just to plug and play. Depending on when your rig was built, the model of the camera might change, but these are great features. We also back here have a prep for a ladder to add a roof access ladder if you wanted one. You're gonna need a ladder, so you might as well go ahead and add one. So we're gonna start off at the front door, which is in the back of the rig on this model. Bluetooth speaker, standard. This is the charging station. It's also got other USB chargers on it. You can take this little pill speaker anywhere you wanna go. So if you wanna set it outside by the campfire, great. If you wanna take it out in the kayak or on a hike, fantastic. I guess you could even put it in the back of the car while you're driving down the road if you wanted sound that way. So that's a great feature. Our control panel here has got all of the standard things. We do have a single slide and an awning, and take a look at this closet. This closet is gigantic. You know, this would be a great place to add a washer and dryer if there were hookups here. Nice storage space in here, good pantry area. You could put a couple of command hooks on these walls to have some place to hang some coats. Great little entry area. Bathroom is also pretty good size and roomy. So take a look at this. Toilet test. I like that these Apexes come with a residential height toilet. I don't feel like I'm hunkered down on some little toilet, so this is great. Plenty of elbow room, lots of space in here. My shower, these glass shower doors in this curved shower. Nice situation. Let's see, how much space do I have in the shower? Plenty of headroom. Good closet storage space in this rig for the bathroom. Plenty of room for towels and toiletries and extra toilet paper and cleaning supplies and things like that. Underneath the sink, we don't have a lot of storage space because that's the outdoor kitchen, but we do have one drawer. That's because the door's open. It looks like it's got lighting in there. But we also have some great space in here. Counter for storage of supplies and stuff, and a lot of counter space.
This is our exact bathroom on this side.
And then of course we had that window back here. We have a ventilation fan up here, which is nice. Look at all of the space in this living area. Feel like I'm on the middle of a dance floor. Michelle, come dance with me. Come on, come on. All right, now get back behind the camera. Got a nice big TV in here so the whole family can see. Let's see, does this TV pull out? Yeah, it's on an arm. So we could adjust it over here towards the dining room or towards the kitchen if you're prepping and you want to have the news on or whatever. If you're working, you got the TV going, or you could put it this way to face the sofa, entertainment center. So this is good. Small little cabinet up here. Could maybe be a liquor cabinet. I don't know if you do that kind of thing. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. 12-volt refrigerator is standard on all Coachmen Apex models now. And this is a nice one. I think they're usually about 8 cubic feet. I believe that's the case on this one. But here's the big thing. Look at how huge this freezer is. This is the advantage of a 12-volt fridge. In a normal RV fridge, you get maybe that much space. You get a little bit, maybe half or maybe a little more than half of what this has. Because that compressor and all that stuff is not back there, you get more space inside your freezer. So this is a great upgraded feature on the Apex models. 3-burner stove with the flat glass to extend your counter space. We've got a microwave here. Lots of storage inside. I would probably want some shelving or some baskets just to utilize the height of this space, but there's plenty of room in here for pots and pans, and this cabinet goes all the way back to the back wall. So that's fantastic. We've also got some space under here, just a little bit. Some of this is because of other electronics and other plumbing and things, so that's kind of lost space. We've got a good space here. And we've got a nice size space here. Kitchen trash can would fit in there, I'm sure. And we've got drawers for all of our gadgets and cooking utensils. Farmhouse style sink, which is another great addition. So I love this little flip up countertop to help expand our space. This would come in really handy when you're doing dishes. You got someplace to set stuff down while you're drying it. Or you could probably fit a crock pot here or a coffee pot. It's pretty heavy duty, so you could put something relatively heavy up here if you needed to. U-shaped dinette. We've got some storage underneath the dinette. I'd love to see slide out trays on these dinettes. Maybe someday they'll get that feature added. But you can access them this way, or you can pop these panels out and access them. This, of course, like most rigs, you drop the table down and it converts into a bed. The other thing you could do is actually pop this top off and turn it around 180 so that this curved section goes in there if you don't have people that need to sit here. And then you'd lose a little bit of this area here if you wanted to flip it around. Oh, this seating is so comfortable. We've got plenty of storage space in here for your charging cables and your remotes, and heck, you could line this and make it into a cooler so you don't have to get up to get another drink. All right, let's go to the bedroom. In the bedroom, we've got some standard under the bed storage here. I think this was a table or something that's just the box for it. Standard mattress, plenty of counter space in here. This would be great if you wanted to have some baskets with, socks and underwear or things like that, shorts, whatever. You could put some baskets in here to store clothing, but we've got a hanging closet in here that goes all the way back to this wall. So a ton of space in these cabinets and closets, plus huge space in this over the bed area. So a lot of great storage space. Second air conditioner back here in the back half of the rig. We've got a nice bay window on the front, on the nose of the rig. There's a lot of people either love these or they hate them. They're here because they sell RVs, and people tend to like the windows, which is why they're putting them in so many models industry-wide. They have had a bad reputation, but they've worked out most of the kinks. These are regular automotive glass, so they're shatterproof, and they are bonded so that they won't leak, and they've fixed a lot of those issues. Plus, we've got a blind here to help keep that heat and sunlight out during the daytime. One other little feature over here, we've got a TV backer here with cable outlet. So if you wanted to add a TV to the bedroom, you could. A couple of little hidden, they're not really hidden, but they're unexpected drawers here. So that's a nice little area. You could turn that into like a safe or something if you wanted to. We've got a pocket door here for the bedroom. There was also a pocket door in the bathroom. Thanks for checking out this 266 RBSS. I think I got all the initials right. If you want to see other RV videos, check it out. We've got a playlist with all of the Coachmen models that we've been through so far, and we're trying to add to that list. We'd love to see you come back and take an adventure with us next time you go camping.